a Schlitterbahn. What time is it right now, Mo?
It's 8:26.
It's 8:26, so let's see what time we get there.
We're gonna like stop to get some
yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast. We're gonna pick up my boyfriend Cody, and we have to be there at 11:30. So hopefully we're not too late or too early. But let's get into it.
An eternity later.
Okay, guys, so we made it a Schlitterbahn.
Yes, so you guys, I want to go on the green one. We should go on the green one.
I'll maybe do the green one, guys. I'm like, scared of
so
like not scared.
We're first gonna go on the snake one this time.
Yes, I don't like.
I love the snake one.
I don't like drops, so that's why I'm like, you know.
Drops.
I know, but I just don't like drops like that. I'm not a fan of drops.
Oh, I would never get on the pink one.
Nope. Schlitterbahn.
Our thing is not till 11:30.
Yeah, our pass is not till 11:30, but hopefully they let us in.
We're gonna ask someone because we did purchase like a souvenir cup.
Yes.
So we're gonna ask someone like where to get it and stuff because we have like no idea.
Yes. But look at that. We are at the entrance.
The worker?
Guys, we're gonna get our little cups right now. So let's make the line. Guys, we got our cups. You know what's funny? It's just 2020. But yeah. It's empty, huh? Super empty.
I wanna go on the yellow this time.
Okay, guys, we're going on our first ride. And
I don't
Mal's
wanna get sunburned.
Okay, so Mal's putting sunscreen on and we're going on our first ride. Which I'm doing all the work. Mao, are you tall enough?
I should.
Barely. Okay, so we came to get some food. Oh my god, guys, it's raining.
It started raining, but they're not taking people out. I don't know if they will.
Probably because it's not thundering, but it's straight up raining. Look at that cloud. Oh my god, yeah, it's raining.
But look.
Yeah, it's that one cloud. It's passing by. Okay, look. So this is the pizza. We waited for like 40 minutes. And this is how it ended up. Cody and I shared a pizza.
Okay.
What did you find, Mauricio?
You guys, we found Fidget toy. Should we take this one?
Oh my god. Show us everything.
I think I have more.
So this is a dolphin, a crab.
Look, guys, I have one of these.
Yeah, look. So what about this one? Mushy plushies? Oh shoot. Ryan made it a Schlitterbahn. How much? How much are they? $8. And they have...
Should we take the dolphin?
This one, yes. And they have a circle one too.
Should we take it?
And a circle one. Yes, we should.
You want me to?
Yeah. And they have putty, a crab, another dolphin. What is this green one? Oh, and another colorful dolphin. Okay, guys, so Mao and our friend Johnny are gonna go on this ride. They're crazy. I would never. It's supposedly the world's tallest ride ever. And they have to make lines to get their floaty, but oh hell no, I would never. Oh my god, Mauricio is crazy!
Let's go on the world's largest water slide.
Let's go!
Guys, look at that. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm not ready. We are almost there. Oh my god. You guys, literally somebody just got stuck. Oh hell no.
Oh my god! Ah! Oh shit! Ah! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, look at the difference. Storm? Sunny. Okay, let's go to store number 2.
Found this.
Go.
So we found this like
Mini puppet.
yeah, but it's like a, what is it, like a
Slushy?
like a cup? Like a cup sort of. We're gonna take it. Is there any more? We already have this one. We're just buying this one.
They have a lot of plushies.
Yes, this. Oh look, they also have these. These are cute. Fidgets everywhere now. You guys, it's literally crazy how they sell fidgets anywhere now. We even found some at the water park. Like, how crazy is that? And we're leaving. The beach store.
I don't even know how to say it. Say the name. What if they have fidgets? Let's see. I don't think they're gonna have any fidgets, but I'ma still look. Have a lot of beach stuff. But look at this view. Oh look, they have crabs.
Did I touch them? Should I touch them? No. Oh my god.
Look at that one.
They all have like designs.
Look at that one.
Look at those. Should we get one? Oh my god.
Okay, and we are still in the search for fidgets, but all we find is sandals. These
actually
are
have one.
so cute. Summer. Oh yeah, that's cute. Did we find any fidgets?
No.
Nope. There's plushies. Lots of plushies. This is, oh. These are cute. Where's this? Oh. Well, this store was so oh my god, I'm not walking around looking like this. Why didn't nobody tell me anything?
Walk around like what? Beautiful? The fuck?
Oh my god, these are so cute. Hey guys, so this is the seawall. When was this built? 1902? Oh my god. This shit old as hell, huh? So yeah, this is the seawall. Oh my god, guys.
Man, just imagine if one of those things like fall.
Right?
There's a splash mountain.
What do you mean Splash Mountain?
Like, you know, the theme splash mountain, like the drop.
Can you see it? Yes, it's about to drop. Wait, hold up, hold up. It's about to drop. It never dropped. 2, 3. Guys, should we go to, what's this place called? Should we go to Pleasure Pier? I think we should. Guys, we forgot to film an outro for this YouTube video, but thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Love you. Make sure to go subscribe to the Fur and Mouse Short YouTube account. Link in the description.